Gold or silver? Which one is the smarter choice when markets feel uncertain? Understanding their unique strengths can help you make a confident decision. When thinking about diversification, gold and silver each offer different advantages. Gold has been a steady store of value for thousands of years, holding up through inflation, crisis, and market volatility. Silver, while also a store of value, benefits from industrial demand in electronics, medical devices, and renewable energy, which can help its long term growth. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains how combining the two metals can give your retirement portfolio both stability and growth potential. You're not picking one over the other, you're learning how each can play a strategic role. I'll link this guide in the description. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a clear, practical view before making any investment decisions. If you want to see how gold and silver can complement each other to strengthen your retirement strategy, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. You can get it for free with straightforward guidance to help you balance your portfolio. You can find the link in the description.